Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a game pass for Please Donate on mobile. So this will work on iOS or Android or any tablet that is available. So if you're ready, let's get started. First is to go ahead and search for roblox.com on your browser. So any browser that's available on your phone, and let's type roblox.com and let's tap on the first one, and then all you have to do is to log in or just tap that create button. And then in here, go to your dashboard by tapping the three horizontal lines on the upper left corner of your phone and tap dashboard. So you're now on your dashboard and tap experiences, and then go on, and then you can see the overview of your account. Then tap for the associated items. So the next thing that we're going to do is to tap passes and then tap create a pass. So from here, you can now create a pass or creating special items. On here, you can change the format of the picture that is present in there. So you can just write the name of the character or your passcode, and then you can also write anything, a description, and then once you are done, so writing please donate, and then once you're done, then tap create pass. So we're done. Pass created successfully. Under passes, we'll be able to see that one. So this one, let's tap on it. All right, so this is now our basic information, or in under basic settings, you tap on the sales. Now under sales, this is where you can fill in the information to sale or item for sale. So you can toggle that on and then indicate the price in Roblox. So for example, this one, and then you can save changes. And once you're in your Roblox game, you can now start playing it. And then if you will see this one, please donate or stand icon, so you can claim that one, and it's claimed. There you go. So it's easy to do. If this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.